My name's David Redpath. I'm founder director of Skytech. We're based in East Lothian and we design and build drones. For the TRIG drones programme, our project was titled DART, which is an acronym for Detect and Avoid Augmented Reality Test. Now this seems like a mouthful, but this was basically a virtual way of being able to fly drones around in simulation with hardware in the loop to be able to test detect and avoid algorithms. Specifically, detect and avoid algorithms are basically intelligence for drones that they can see and avoid other aircraft. This would be a difficult thing to do in the real world and not something to be tried in a kind of research and development environment, which is where simulation is a perfect solution for doing this sort of work. We need this intelligence aboard drones to be able to take evasive maneuvers. Our long-term goals for developing this technology is to be able to develop a fleet of beyond visual line of sight drones within our business for being able to do remote environmental inspections, for doing inspections in the energy sector, for instance. The TRIG drones programme has supported our innovation over the past 6 months by providing finance for us to be able to go ahead and work on our innovation. What has been important to us from the start is the fact that we know that this innovation isn't unique, but we know that the innovation has been siloed within different businesses and a lot of it has been tied into intellectual property. There's a few companies around the world that have this technology already, but it's very much proprietary. There's no way of other researchers accessing it to be able to maybe make some tweaks, make some additions. So what's been important for us with this project, which TRIG has allowed us to do, is that we've made this open source, that all our code will be available to other researchers to use after the project. They will be able to come along, hopefully collaborate with us and make additions and keep building on this so we can really build a modern benchmarking suite for the development and assessment of detect and avoid algorithms. We don't think this type of innovation would be possible without TRIG drones. I think what we've developed has been something really unique by creating a benchmarking system that we're going to release to other developers and researchers. We hope that this will allow a community around the development of detect and avoid algorithms to be created where we can collaborate and compare notes in a system that is verifiable, and we can look at what we're developing side by side using repeatable simulations.